How many of you have any knowledge about learning processes? Like machine चलानी आती नहीं है, and we are thinking that we will produce the best products from our machines. So how our brain works? So when we read something, है ना? So problem is we are not reading. If we are not reading in structured manner, what happens? You know how our mind works. How many of you have any knowledge about learning processes? Okay. So in simple terms, when you read something or when you take a lecture or all these things, so there are these neural patterns that form, है ना? So there are neural patterns that form in various parts of our brain, and when you recall, so information is gathered from all these centers, all these places, and then there is a place in our brain where all of this information is articulated, put into a structure, and then you present it. But problem is that all these nodes that we have, online people can, is it available? Online people, am I audible? Am I audible now? अब पक्का चल रहा है? चेक कर रहो. नहीं नहीं, जाना तो है ही नहीं उनको. आज जब तक ठीक नहीं होगा वो नहीं जाएंगे. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज वो बारिश के कारण कुछ पानी भर गया है इन द वायर्स. Because of rain, you know, these wires have got some problem, some, I don't know what has happened, but something has happened. And that is why the connection is getting loose again and again. But don't worry, I have kidnapped the Airtel and the Spectra people. So we have two internets here, and still we are facing this. So there is this Airtel and Spectra, both of them with big corporate plans, and still I don't know what has happened with the wiring. So these people are looking, and I will not let them go till they correct it today. So most probably it will get corrected. So we were discussing that how we learn, you know, until and unless we know our learning procedures, it is like machine चलानी आती नहीं है, and we are thinking that we will produce the best products from our machines. But you will have to learn how to run that machine, or what is the process. So even if you give a smartphone, so if you give a smartphone to a tribal person, what happens? What will they think? So you know, you gave a very hi-fi smartphone with all the AI integration, and a person who is living in a forest who has never seen anything of the outside world, you give him this. What will be his first thoughts? It's useless. What will they do? So they will try to use it as a stone or some instrument. Else, if light flickers, what will be their next thought? A miracle. Torch to pata hai nahi na unhe. Miracle. They might start even praying it. They will think, you know, something, God, you know, something has happened so beautiful in our life, and they might even pray and imagine some rituals around it. And after some time it will become dead, of course. Battery chali jayegi na. So can you understand this? So if we don't understand how we learn, even if we learn, like, you know, we keep reading, learning all of these things, yet when there is a time to reproduce, it's like कि बहुत बड़ा था, है ना? अब मैंने अभी भी डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है क्या? हमारा ओके है? हाँ, अभी हमारी गलती नहीं है अभी. हाँ, okay. I'm audible? It's fine now. Okay. So how our brain works. So when we read something, है ना, so problem is we are not reading, if we are not reading in structured manner, what happens, supposedly you read a small ethics terms from here, you read something from there, some books, some notes, here, there, you have read it from 20 places and you have not structured it properly. What happens, this gets stored in distant nodes in our brain, दूर दूर जाके वो store हो जाते हैं, and each information is connected to some other kind of information. Each information is connected to some other kind of information, and to retrieve this information we have to follow that pathway. It is like there is a pathway. So if you have read this thing with a particular topic, supposedly you have read an example with the topic of attitude, until and unless while you are reading attitude you have also thought about that I can also use it in examples of ethics, or I can use it in examples of aptitude, or in the case studies also, the brain is not knowing that you can use it here and there. So what happens, this node is stored, it is stored in your brain, you can access it, but not at random, not in a short span of time. If you will give yourself time to think, you know, if I give you half an hour brainstorm, this will come easily, but you have to write answers in 7 minutes, and in that 7 minutes what all you have to do, first I read the question, second understand the question, then decode the question in the sense what exactly it is asking, what is the tone of the question, and after decoding all this you brainstorm, or you make a structure, like in which structure I will present my answer. Then you think of an intro, then you write an intro, then you make subparts of your body, then you give body, and then you write examples, make some flowcharts, and then you write conclusion according to the demand of the question, and whether then you also have to see the articulation, language, presentation, logical structure, all of this in 7 minutes. If the retrieval time of information from your mind is too long, you must have read it, but you will not be able to express it. Simple. ऐसा नहीं है it's not in your mind, it is in your mind, but you will have to keep it accessible, so that the moment you see a question, your mind knows that what it has to write, what example it has to write, what point it has to reproduce. And this takes, number one, of course, practice. Secondly, the structured way of reading. Structured way of reading in this sense. So, why are we doing all these terms first? To make a structure in our mind, what different terms actually mean. So if you know how belief system is different from ethics, or how morals are different from ethics, so if the question comes, some actions may be moral but not ethical, comment. Now you already have a structure made in your mind. What are morals? What are ethics? You have the examples ready, and then you have the structure ready in your mind कि कहाँ से मुझे morals के examples निकालने हैं, how I have to take the examples of ethics. So it's a structured reading that we do. So not just in ethics, any subject you are reading, always first understand the structure, that in what structure you are going to read it. So what happens if you read in a structured manner, the moment that thing is asked, anything associated with this node is asked, then anything associated with this node is asked, usko nahi पूछेंगे. So what happens? Everything, all the information comes quickly. So now, before you read a book or anything, first make your own structure. So do you see index? Very important part. Okay. So first make an index. So whenever I teach, I generally make this. I must have made this yesterday. और रादर आज हम बनाएंगे इसको ऐसे ऐसे वाले जो फ्लो चार्ट्स बनाते हैं हम. So why do we make such flow charts? To organize our information. You know? So supposedly you are reading some topic. Supposedly let's take. यार तुम लोग मुझसे ethics पढ़ लो, फंडे मत लो. लेकिन it's like supposedly you are reading polity. है ना? So before you read governor, what are the right questions you should ask? Is it a central or a state personnel? Comparison with president, articles, which powers, any limitations which must be imposed over him, how, if there is an oath, how he can be removed, है ना? What is the eligibility? You know what, in a manner. So all of these points, now you arrange these points in a story format. Supposedly, there is person X who wants to be a governor. So what is the eligibility? Supposedly that person comes and asks you, here I want to be a governor, what is the eligibility to become a governor? So you must know as a civil servant. So what is that eligibility? Whatever it is. Can you understand? Then he says, where have you found this eligibility? Where have you found it? See. Then what will I get if I become governor? Some powers. How will I be appointed? Who will appoint me? समझ रहे हो? So if you understand in this manner, will you ever forget? Step by step. Once you read, you understand, and there is a story attached to it. This technique of memorizing and learning is known as memory palace. Well, you don't have to go into deep details because you people are it will take a lot of time, but yes, this is the simplest version of memory palace, how you form, and this is especially useful in UPSC. ठीक है?